Hello, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you some new shoes. So these are from COSY Island, and COSY Island is an online shoe brand. Very beautiful, really nice shoes. I have to say, they've got shoes, boots, sandals, all sorts. They all come presented really beautifully. So this is the packaging. So this is the shoe box that they come in. And then inside the shoe box, each shoe actually comes, I've already taken them out, but each shoe actually comes presented in a little dust bag as well. It's really easy to navigate your way around the website. They have a beautiful selection of all styles, all colours, and all the shoes are also recycled from plastic bags, which I think is absolutely brilliant. That's something I'm actually really passionate about. Although I have to say, they are incredible quality. I was really shocked when I got these. I think that for the price of them, they are quite reasonably priced for the fantastic quality that they actually are. So this is the first pair that I got, and these are some boots. How stunning are these? I think these are beautiful. They came in a variety of different colours. I obviously chose the brown ones, but they have this like woven or knitted fabric on them. It's waterproof, but they have this knitted looking fabric on, which I think is so unusual. But then we have this leather, I'm not sure if it's real leather, you know, I don't know, to be honest, but they have this, we'll say leather effect panel on the back of them, and the heel, this really beautiful block heel on them as well, and this lovely knotted detail around the ankle here as well. They are a sock boot, so they're nice and stretchy, very easy to put on and take off. They've also got a beautiful square toe to them. The bottom sole on them as well is textured. It's like a textured sole, so it's a non-slip sole as well. And the inside of them, I can't really show you in these. I'll show you in the other shoes that I've got. But they have the most comfortable sole in them. Like inside, it's squidgy and it's padded, so extremely comfortable. And I just think they are lovely, really nice. They look so classy and they look beautiful on as well. And as I say, they're almost, because they're this soft sort of fabric, they're like made to fit your feet. It's really hard to explain. They're not, do you know what I mean? But they feel like they are. And I'm not normally one that goes for heels, but because they've got that padding inside, they're so comfortable. I can get away with actually wearing heels. Normally I'll find them, my feet start to ache throughout the day. I'm not very good with heels, to be honest. I normally opt for trainers or, you know, a flat, but these I can get on board with. But honestly, they are stunning. They look beautiful on. They'll go with absolutely anything as well, which is one of the reasons I chose this colour as well. I tend to wear a lot of neutral shades, so, you know, this will go with anything. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really beautiful boots. I can't wait to wear them. And then I got these dolly shoes. So they're like this. How cute are these? Look at the detail on the strap as well. They've got this diamante square detailing on the buckle. Beautiful. Same fabric, so we've got this like woven knitted fabric to them, obviously black this time. They've got a square chunky heel on them again, but this one is a little bit lower than the other ones. But no, absolutely beautiful. I love them. Again, we have this panel on the back here, like leather effect panel. See, I can show you now with these ones, the squidgy sole on them. It's like you've got memory foam inside. I don't know if it is memory foam, but it certainly feels like it. And yeah, lovely. Again, because of that, I feel like I can get, I mean, this is the tiniest of heels, isn't it? But I feel like I can get away with wearing a heel because they're so comfortable. They're a little bit flexible as well, which is really nice. So nice, adds to the comfort. But yeah, these have got a little square toe on them as well. I just love them. I think they're absolutely adorable, really beautiful shoes, and yeah, even better that they're so comfortable. Again, the sole has the textured panel on them, so non-slip again. And yeah, although I will say, you know, even though they've got this like woven, it is lined as well, it's thick. But they've got this like woven material to them. They're actually really quite warm, like the boots as well. They're really warm, which is lovely, really nice. But no, I just love them. Aren't they cute? And then the very last pair that I got, I love these. I'm going to save these, you know, for the spring. But it's these ones here. how stunning are these. I love them. The shade is perfect for me. This colour is ideal for what I want it to go with, like all of my outfits. But yeah, this buckle, or it's not a buckle, but detailing on the front here, or chain I should say, is stunning. It is this really beautiful gold chunky chain effect on there, and it just looks beautiful. But again, amazing quality. I love the heel on them on these ones because it's a block heel, but it's got a slight angle to it here. They're just so classy, aren't they? I love them. So obviously slip-on style mules, and we can really see the sole on these ones because it's quite open. So can you see how squidgy that is and how comfortable that's going to be? I'm really impressed with these, you know, and it goes all the way into where the toes are as well. So we've got this bit on the arch here to support the arch, and it goes right down into where the toe is. Well, not quite. Oh no, it does. It is squidgy down there as well, but they're just stunning. Again, we have a textured sole on them. I don't know what to say. I just absolutely love them. I think they're stunning. I really do. But this fabric, again, is really nice. This, I would say, is still quite thick, but it's not lined like the boots were, and I think the court shoes as well. Yeah, I think it's just because they've got a back on them, haven't they? But if you can see on these ones, it's like got extra lining just here, like extra support, I suppose, in the back, whereas obviously these don't have a back, do they? But yeah, but for me, what I was going to say is that in the warmer months, it would actually be a little bit better. You know, your feet won't get all sweaty and that sort of thing in here. So yeah, you could quite easily wear these, you know, without socks on. But yeah, love them. And I'll just show you on these. The logo is actually, it's not printed on, it's like raised, which I know it's just a little thing, but for me, that adds a lovely little touch as well. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, as I say, I'm saving these for the spring, but honestly, I can't wait to wear them because I'm just picturing all the outfits that I'm going to wear them with. So yeah, just a short and sweet video today, really, or a little bonus video, I should say. But I just really wanted to show you them because I think they're absolutely stunning. I really do. And there's so many on the website as well. I'm going to have to go back on and have a look, and I might get myself some sandals, you know. But yeah, as always, I will link them all in the description box below for you. I do believe I have a discount code as well. I'll stick that down there for you as well if you want to use that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel, until then, thanks for watching. Bye!